What's up, guys? Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and we is on day 21 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. Remember, if you want to do this challenge, I put the whole challenge every day, what you're supposed to do in the description of this video. Comment, let me know if you're doing the same challenge or if you want to jump in, whatever. So today actually is a rest day, just chilling. Nothing special going on. Just relax. I ain't doing nothing. Right? Day 21, doing nothing. Tomorrow, we doing 300 jumps. So day 22 coming up tomorrow, and we move around along like 8-9 more days, and challenge to be complete. All right. So today's a rest day. So if you're following along, comment, let me know if you did anything on your rest day, any sort of workout or anything like that. But yeah, we moving right along. So be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I will see you tomorrow.